just 1 garlic and 7 cloves to end bad dreams tonight. Do it now. Do it tonight right after you see this video. So it will end forever. You will never have bad dreams again. Remember, bad dreams come to reality. I don't know if you have noticed this, but bad dreams do come to reality. So do this immediately if you don't want to get bad dreams again. If you don't want to face nightmares. If you don't want to get bad visions. Welcome to the Golden Bosom channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a very powerful spiritual work you are going to do to end bad dreams immediately, so you can never have any bad dream again. A lot of people are suffering in this world. You are suffering too much, or you can't be happy because of the dreams that you get, because of the visions that you receive. But there is always a solution for everything. There is always an answer for every question. So why do you suffer when there is a solution? Do this simple spiritual work and it will help you stop everything. It will help you stop everything that is making you suffer, making you cry in this world, okay? And all you are going to need is garlic. Garlic is such a strong remedy. It works immediately. Garlic does not connect with any kind of demon. Garlic does not connect with any kind of satanic thing. Cloves are such strong spiritual remedies that when you use them, they will dig, they will cleanse, they will chase away everything that is triggering your life. So if you are having bad dreams, bad visions, let me explain to you what bad visions mean. You may be like sleeping or trying to fall asleep and you see something. It can be an accident. It can be someone you know when they have died. It can be something terrifying. It can be something scaring, and it can also be the opposite of what you have seen, okay? Yes, you can see something good, but you can also see something bad. That is what they call a vision, okay? So in case things like this keep happening to you in your life, you visualize something bad, you visualize an accident, trust me, it's going to come to reality. If it's a bad dream, you dream about snake bite, that is the devil trying to attack you. That is your enemy biting you indirectly, okay? The enemy may attack you in so many ways. You can get thieves to rob you. You can get enemies in your business. Your business can get closed at any time. Out of nowhere, you can get like so many problems. Those are dreams that you get. They turn into reality. So please take note of this. If you don't want any of that to happen to you again in your life, do this simple spiritual work and it will help you for good. Garlic and cloves under your pillow will change everything. Do it tonight, immediately, and see things are going to change, and see how things are going to change in your life, okay? Yes, stop bad dreams immediately before they turn into reality. Anything that you dream about, anything that you visualize, they turn to reality. It doesn't matter the time, it doesn't matter when it's going to happen, but it does happen at some point in your life. So please, if you are facing lots of miserable, and let me tell you, have you noticed that anytime you get a bad dream, or anytime you get maybe people are robbing you, or people are trying to kill you, people are trying to destroy your property, when all those things happen into the dream, they somehow happen into your reality. Maybe someone tries to attack you. Maybe someone tries to, to ruin your life in reality. Have you noticed that? That means dreams come back into reality. So in case you want to end all that stuff, to fight your enemy spiritually, you are going to do this simple recipe, and your enemy will never come back to you. You will never have such bad dreams again. There's lots of bad dreams that are happening, but you can send them away just by using these two remedies. These are cloves and this is garlic. This is all you need, and put under your pillow before you sleep. tonight and see miracles tonight and end bad dreams. Okay, yes, here is what you are going to do. It doesn't matter what your religion you are. You can be a Christian, you can be a Muslim, you can be a Buddha, you can be at any, as long as you have belief and faith that this is going to work for you, and it will work for you in the mighty name of God, because we all believe in God. And in case you have belief, all things are possible. So here is what you are going to do. You are going to get garlic, 1 piece of garlic. You don't need many, okay? You are going to get 1 piece. You are going to need 7 cloves and 1 garlic. That's all you need. Put under your pillow. Do not just put under your pillow. Pray about this and then put under your pillow. And you will never have bad dreams again. They will disappear for good, unless you don't know how to pray, unless you don't know how to mention, unless you're not having any of these bad dreams triggering you, unless you're not having nightmares. You can do this for your kids. In case you are a parent and your kids are getting lots of nightmares, they stand up during the middle of the night and start crying. Do 7 cloves and 1 piece of garlic under the pillow for every kid, okay? Pray about them, and they will never have nightmares again. They will never cry in the middle of the night again. Do it for yourself too. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to pray above these clothes, and you say, Father, in the mighty name of God, I rebuke the spirits of bad dreams. I rebuke the spirits of having thieves stealing my money. Yes, once you get a dream, when someone is trying to rob you, when someone is stealing you, let me tell you, this comes to reality. People are going to rob you. Thieves are going to rob you. The enemy is going to attack you indirectly. So please take note of that. Do this simple spiritual work and it will help you. Put 7 pieces of cloves and 1 piece of garlic under your pillow and pray about them. Then you can have a good sleep. You will never have nightmares, bad dreams. You will never have any kind of bad visions in your sleep. You will always have a good sleep till the morning. You are going to pray. You are going to rebuke the spirits of bad dreams. You are going to rebuke the spirits of nightmares. You are going to rebuke the spirits of bad visions during your sleep. You are going to say, I'm sending away all the bad dreams that are distracting me from my good sleep. I rebuke the spirits of bad dreams that keep happening in my sleep. All I need are sweet dreams. All I need are clean dreams. I rebuke all the bad dreams when snakes are biting me. I rebuke all the bad dreams when I'm going back to my old school. I rebuke all the bad dreams when I'm sitting exams. I rebuke all the bad dreams when I'm seeing accidents. I rebuke all the bad dreams when people that I know are dying. I have to mention everything that you keep seeing in your dreams. And let me tell you, that will never happen to you again. They will stop immediately. Then put 7 cloves and 7 garlic under your pillow. You can get a small plastic, put them inside, wrap them and put under your pillow. Then you can have a sweet dream. You will never have any kind of bad dreams again. You will never have any kind of attack during your sleep again. Yes, after doing that, you have to leave it for 7 good days, because these are 7 cloves. Leave them for 7 good days. Yes, you can always remove them. Pray above it before you sleep. Put it back in the pillow. Remove them for 7 good days and you will see a difference. And let me tell you, once you stop having all these bad dreams, bad things will stop happening into your life. Your life will change completely. You will start being financially stable. You will get a job in case you have been jobless. You will get everything that you want, because these dreams, the spirits, the enemies are using these dreams to tie us. Yes, to tie our eyes, to lock us, to put a black garment on us so we can't be seen. Yes, no one can appreciate you. No one can recommend you. No one can give you this. No one can give you that. So anything that we keep seeing in a spiritual world does happen in a physical world. So please take note of that. Do this simple spiritual work and see how your life is going to transform immediately. Yes. Thank you so much. If you feel this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends, your family, so that they can see it and it will help them too. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye.